Hey guys, welcome back to another great episode of Stovetop Yum Yum. Today I'm going to teach you how to make the most amazing chicken taco pie. Yum. This episode starts right now. Okay guys, as I mentioned today, I'm creating a chicken taco pie. Yeah. Here are the simple ingredients. I have a pound of ground chicken, not ground chicken breast, ground chicken. So there's chicken breast in there and chicken thighs, makes it a lot juicier. I also have some Fiesta Blend cheddar cheese, this cheddar and Monterey Jack. I have a chopped plum or Roma tomato, they're both the same thing. I have a medium onion, some shredded lettuce for garnish, of course our Stovetop Yum Yum special blend seasoning to give it our chicken that yummy taste. We have some jalapeno pickled peppers, and I'm also going to use some salsa verde. Now, the secret ingredient to this is, I'll show you right now, our pie crust is going to be crescent rolls. The sheets of crescent rolls. I'm going to show you how I create that. This is a disposable pie sheet. So I'm going to show you how I create that with my nonstick spray. When I come back, we're going to get ready to assemble, you guys. And you don't want to miss this amazing, amazing chicken taco pie. And another thing I forgot to add, we're also going to use 1 egg to bind our chicken. And we're also going to use a little bit of panko. I'll be right back. You don't want to miss it, guys. Stay with me. Okay, guys, so I'm back. I have all my ingredients. I'm going to show you how I assemble this. You're probably wondering, yes, I'm going to cook the chicken first, the ground chicken first. Then we're going to add an egg, and I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of panko. Now, if you are gluten-free, please, you can substitute this for 2 tablespoons of applesauce. That's amazing. You can use applesauce in place of the egg as well if you're vegetarian. Well, this is not going to be vegetarian, but I mean, you can use, in place of the egg, what you could use is applesauce. If you want to use some sort of wheat or almond in place of this, if you're gluten-free, excuse me, please do so. I'm not using a lot, so I'm okay. I don't do gluten at all, but sometimes something like this is really not major, so I don't consider it. So let me grab. So our oven needs to be preheated at 375. You guys, it's going to cook so fast, you're not even going to believe it. I'm going to spray my pan here. So this is very simple. We're going to grab our crescents. We don't have to roll this out or anything. I'm going to show you how I prepare this. I'm going to prepare the pan. I'm going to whack it. All right, so I'm going to prepare this pan, and then we're going to cook our chicken, which will cook in no time, of course. Ground chicken cooks in no time, guys. All right, so I'm going to, you can put the whole thing in there, but I don't. I love to do this. Watch this. You put it here. It becomes such a cool pie. I might not even need 2 containers, but I always usually have 2 just in case. guys, I'm back. I have my little pan here. I'm gonna put some olive oil. It's hot with about a tablespoon, and we're gonna put our onions in there first. Some nice cooked onions with our chicken. Yum. Oh, I love onions. I'm going to use my little ground beef masher. So amazing. It works so good. Let me get my wooden spoon. So what I'm going to do is when I cook this chicken, when you cook the chicken, guys, let it cool down and let it rest before you add your egg or before you add the panko. Because you don't want the egg to scramble. You just want it to bind your chicken. It's becoming very juicy. So when I come back, guys, we are going to, this is going to be ready. It's going to be cold. I'm going to show you how I add the egg, bind it with the panko, and assemble our pie to put in the oven. Yum, yum. Is it. So our tomato, our green salsa, and our shredded lettuce is going to garnish this when it's done. Yum. Put it in the oven. So 375 degrees, guys, for probably about 17 to 18 minutes until your pie crust and your cheese is nice and ooey and gooey. That's it. So guys, when I come back, that baby's going to be ooey and gooey out of the oven. I'm going to show you how I garnish it with our lettuce, our tomato, and our green salsa. And you guys, you don't want to miss this. I'll be right back. Hey guys. Hey guys, I'm back. Look at this beauty. Look at that. Let me give you a little close-up. Look at that. How beautiful is that? Okay, so what I did was when I took it out of the oven, it's 15 to 18 minutes until it's brown and the cheese is melted. Remember, the chicken is cooked and it's all binded in there. And what I did was you let it rest it's still warm, but you let it rest for about 10 minutes so when we cut it, it doesn't fall apart. Okay, guys, so now we are going to garnish my lettuce. I'm going to put lettuce on this. This is beautiful. It's so pretty. I love it. Put some lettuce on top. Don't be shy. Don't even worry. This is a taco pie, and taco takes lettuce. I might even put a little bit of cheese on top. Nah, it's already cheesy enough. You can if you want to, but it's cheesy enough. Put your nicest lettuce on there. This is, oh my goodness, this is crazy delicious, you guys. With chicken. You can make it with ground beef, with ground turkey. I like to make it with chicken because it's, I don't know. To me, it's a healthier version. So now we have our tomatoes. Our Roma tomato, which is our plum tomato, same thing. Look at that. How beautiful is that? Wait a second, I'm not done yet. Now I'm going to grab a little bit of, okay, so I didn't mention this earlier, but I'm going to grab some cilantro. And I'm not even going to, let me see. I'm going to get the stems out. Let me get the big stems out. That's what I always do. Now we can cut it like basil. You know, basil, You should never use a knife when you're cutting basil. Just tear it, and that's what I'm going to do. It looks so pretty. You tear it. I love it. Oh, I love it. So now, I'm just going to show you what the product looks like complete. How pretty it looks. Then when we slice it and put it on the plate, I'm going to put some salsa on there. Some green tomatillo salsa that I buy. You can make it or you can buy it. It's up to you. I don't have time. I'm so busy that I don't have time. Look at that. Oh my God. Oh my God, that's beautiful, you guys. I'm gonna take a picture of this. Hold on. Since this is a taco pie, we're gonna cut it with a pie cutter. All right, so let's do this. I'm doing it here live with you guys. I don't know. How beautiful this is going to turn out or not. Wish me luck, guys. If it falls apart, oh well. What can we do? This is the moment of truth. Hold the top of this. Oh my God. Freaking worked. Oh my gosh, it worked. I'm so excited. I feel like dancing right now. Look at this, you guys. And let me get this little piece out of here. And let me get my tomatillo salsa. Look at this. Oh, so delicious, man. I'm so excited. I want to dance. Put a little tomatillo on there. Hello. I'm a mess today. I have I'm a farmer's market tomorrow. Oh my God. So many farmer's markets. Guys, don't try this at home. Please don't try that at home. All right. Got it. My grandmother used to always say, don't fix your teeth. All right, here we go. It's open. It was brand new, so that's why it wasn't open. Oh my gosh. Look at that, guys. Let's get a little more of that cilantro on top. Look at that. Our taco pie. Our chicken taco pie. Oh, look at this, guys. Look at that. Look at how pretty that is. Wow. Oh, it's a masterpiece. I'm not going to grab a knife. Now I'm going to taste it. Okay. It's not hot because I had. Let's taste it now. All binded together with that one egg and. Oh my gosh! I'm sorry, guys. My mouth is watering right now. With the binder, with the panko, and really helped a lot. Okay, here goes. Oh my goodness. Carlito! Carlito! Come here for a second. Yes. Would you like to try my taco pie? This is Carlito, guys. You know Carlito. Say hi, Carlito.
Hello.
It's not hot. It's so delicious, Carlito. It's not hot. It's not. Oh my God, it's so good.
It looks like a taco.
Yes, or you can go now. I'll call you when I serve. Say bye to your friends.
What is it? A taco pie?
Mm-hmm.
Oh my God, I never tasted that taco.
My taco pie. Yeah, good. I'm glad you love it, honey.
It's awesome.
Dinner's almost ready.
Okay, love it.
I tell you, he loves it. He loves it. Okay, guys. So remember, if you like this video, make sure you hit the like button. Don't forget to comment. And if you've already subscribed, thank you so much. If not, what are you waiting for? Hit the subscribe button. But don't forget the bell so you don't miss any episodes. And remember, my seasoning blends, I have my original seasoning blend and my holy mango, which is organic. And this one's also vegan friendly. So guys, Make sure you visit me at www.stovetopyumyum.com and pick yours up today. No salt, no sugar, no gluten. You will not believe the flavor this has with none of that. It's salt-free, sugar-free, gluten-free. It's kind of like a jailbreak. Everybody's free. Just joking, all jokes aside. But this really is amazing. And they're also FDA approved, which I'm very proud of. So remember, guys, I don't care where you look. I don't care what you look like. I don't care where you come from. I don't care what your kitchen looks like. If you incorporate my two main ingredients, which are, that's right, passion and love, your dish will not fail. I repeat, your dish will not fail. And as I always say from the bottom of my heart, guys, au revoir. I love you. Los quiero. And until the next great episode of Stovetop Yum Yum, I will be back and I will see you guys then. Take great care, guys. Bye.